Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are keeping safe. It's your girl Ram Queen. Today we're going to be making almond bread. I'm going to be using 2 cups of almond flour, tablespoon of psyllium powder, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. With this recipe, I'll be using 5 eggs. I'm going to be using my wooden spoon to mix it together. This almond bread is perfect for those people who are trying to reduce their calorie intake. I'm going to be adding a cup of melted butter. So make sure you melt your butter in the microwave and leave it to a room temperature before adding it to the mixture. So this is how your mixture should look like after mixing everything together. I'm going to be transferring it into a baking pan. First of all, I'll be spreading butter on the baking pan first before transferring the mixture into it. I'll be pouring the mixture into the baking pan and bake it on 120 degrees for 30 minutes. So guys, this is it. The bread is ready. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first person to know whenever I upload any new video. See you on my next video. Bye.